FortiOS, the Inline CASB profile enables a FortiGate to perform granular control over SaaS applications directly in firewall policies. A firewall policy must use proxy-based inspection with a deep inspection SSL profile to apply the Inline CASB profile and scan the traffic payload. In order to apply CASB filtering, the FortiGate needs to recognize the traffic of that designated SaaS app. The CASB database defines the SaaS apps by their domain names and helps FortiGate detect the SaaS traffic. In early versions, the CASB database defined a few dozen SaaS apps. Today, the CASB database defines over 2,800 SaaS apps. This increase helps admins find and filter SaaS apps directly, rather than defining the SaaS app manually. The new CASB database defines the apps within categories. It also includes the popularity of each SaaS app. The category and popularity are shown along with the app's name, which helps find a group of apps. In this scenario, we will restrict traffic to the AI machine learning SaaS category. To configure the firewall, we need to create a CASB profile and add it to the firewall policy. To create a CASB profile, we can use the FortiGate graphical interface. Go to the Security Profiles menu, then the Inline CASB section, and create a new profile. Then we need to find the SaaS app or define it manually using the Rich and Extended database. The admin has a better chance of finding the SaaS app in the database rather than defining it manually. Although the apps table is long, the admin can use sorting, keyword search, or shorten the list of displayed applications by applying a filter to the desired category with or without a filter on popularity. Then, multiple applications can be chosen to be added to the profile in a single action, rather than adding the apps one by one. Once the app is added, we can fine-tune the action applied to each user activity of each SaaS app. The available actions are allow, monitor, bypass, or block. Note that some apps have a single general user activity, while others can have multiple user activities to describe their specific functions. Then we need to assign the created CASB profile to a firewall policy or proxy policy, depending on the network topology. Do not forget to choose proxy mode. The SSL profile should be set to deep inspection. This is because almost all SaaS traffic is handled over HTTPS. A block action will show the user a blocked app message whenever the end user tries to access that specific user activity of the SaaS app. The CASB action is recorded in a log line that can be checked on the log and report page under security events. All data related to the blocked traffic, such as the client's IP, date and time, and visited SaaS URL, are saved.